OMG, you should totally subscribe to Sierra Bane and all her videos about us. She has some good videos about us. Anyways, my grandma said there should be an earthquake coming, so I grabbed her present. Her present's a watermelon. Earthquake? And mention, I got you one too. A present. Oops, that one was for my grandma. Guess I gotta buy a new one.